Okay, let's start. Bakatan. Asa na galing pala sa atong discussion, Mr. Bakatan?
Ma'am,
Asa na galing pala sa atong discussion?
sa accepting, about sa accepting, ma'am.
Exempting?
Yes, ma'am.
So, muna ta sa justifying.
Mana, ma'am. Accepting na.
Okay. Question, Mr. Bakatan. Kani. Can you read number 2?
Yes, ma'am. X was walking along the street. Suddenly, Y went up to him. Y pointed a gun toward X. Y commanded X to give him his wallet, watch, and cell phone. Otherwise, he will stab him. X gave his cell phone and his wallet. When X was about to give his watch, he suddenly grabbed the gun from Y. Now, with the position of gun, X ordered Y to give him back his cell phone and wallet. Instead of giving X back his belongings, Y ran away. Straight after X fired a shot against Y. Hitting Y is hit Neil and Nick. Unable to run, X approaching Y and thereafter took his belongings. X left. Thereafter, X was charged with physical injury. X argues self-defense. Why is X liable for physical injury? Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Liable na si ma'am.
Wait lang. Thank you, Mr. Bakatan. Now, Bakornay. Who are the parties sa giingon ni Bakatan? Who are the parties in the case?
Duha.
Kinsa man sila?
Si X ug Y.
Okay. Bantugan. What is the offense charge? Bantugan. Wala. Batinggal. Bautista. What was the offense charge against X, Bautista? Kaakoy. Wala? Anyone?
Ma'am, pwede mo answer.
Physical injury, ma'am.
What's your last name?
Kaligkid, ma'am. Physical injury.
Khalid Kid? Okay. Thank you. Now, Khalid Kid, why is X liable for physical injury?
Because, ma'am, kay iya mang gipusil si X, ma'am. Ay, si Y. I mean, sorry, ma'am.
But, na naman ni X ang pusil. Does it change the facts or what?
Mahog mong gyapon jud pising self-defense, ma'am. Kay di man sad siya critical na point ang iyang gitira, ma'am. That vital part man ang pagpusil, ma'am.
Nakaniyo, kita ka ni X was about to, he suddenly grabbed the gun from Y.
Why?
Is he still liable for physical injury? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Ingon ka yes, nganong no man.
Naglibog ko, ma'am. Karat-karat ang pagbasa ni Bakatan giniha, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, what's the correct answer?
No sa ako ang side, ma'am.
Why?
Because ma'am kay ni react raman siya due to i-comprehend ra sad niya ang kanaging aggression nga nahitabo sa iyang pang kana nga event ma'am. Dayon due to sa self-defense nga yung gibuhat niya, iyang kuhaon balik iyang butang, iyang gipusil si Y and gi-grab balik iyang butang.
Okay, so kani siya na case class. Ang aggressor kay si Y. Diba?
Yes
Si
ma'am.
Y. The aggressor. Siya ang naay plano mo kawat sa o sa kawato niya? Wallet.
Ang wallet and phone.
Ang
Cellphone.
But unfortunately, nakuha ni X ang iyang gun. Ang unlawful aggression class, bisan wala gapon, bisan nakuha na ni X, kang Y ang gun, still nagapoy unlawful aggression ato. That's why, dili liable si X of physical injury. Kay ang aggressor ani kay si Y. Ang iyang gibuhat is self-defense, di ba? Okay, second question. So, Manasi Kalidkit, Lazaga, are you here?
Thank you ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Lazaga, second question.
Kaning number 3, ma'am.
Lazaga,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
wala Lazaga, next.
Ma'am, na ako, ma'am.
Linabog,
Signal, ma'am.
Linabog.
Yes ma'am, present ma'am.
As how his enemy, B was fast approaching to A was with a gun on his hand. Upon seeing that B was about 10 feet away, A immediately pulled out his batistong and his twin B who was hit on the neck and died. Question: was there unlawful aggression?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Linabog. Monsanto, who are the parties in the case? Paano? Isa ng party sa case.
Si Kuan